Here at Simply Garden, with over 50 years of gardening experience, I believe in keeping things simple and productive while gardening in your own backyard. Well, good afternoon, and we're here on a beautiful late spring afternoon. It's about this 25th of May, and we're trying to plant our pepper plants. We're located on Zone 5, southern New Hampshire, and so we're going to lay out these pepper plants here. I got two varieties I'm planting. One's called California Wonder, and the other variety is called a Flavor Burst. So we'll go ahead and lay these out here. We're going to pretty much lay them out so there's about 18 inches between the rows and about a good 15 inches going this way here. So once again, I don't really fertilize ahead of time. I'll go ahead and hit it with some fish emulsion once it gets in here, and that should take care of pretty much as far as what it's going to need there. Actually, because my beds are a little wider right now, I'm probably going to give it a little more space in between them. We'll probably get about a good about 2 feet between the rows there. There we go. And then I'll probably go a little closer going this way here. We can see if we can squeeze more in this way here. It's all about getting the most out of the space you got. So then down here we're going to put in we're planting Brussels sprouts here, as these are starting to wrap up. Not much left time to lettuce. Spinach will be done in a couple of weeks, and I mean the spinach, yeah, lettuce will be a couple more, another week or two if this hot weather continues. It's supposed to get cooler on Sunday, which I'm kind of glad for, because I'll lose all my spinach and it'll bolt out on me. That's the problem with spinach. You get a start early, hopefully, because before you know it, the warm weather's coming and you're gonna lose all the opportunity for a good crop of spinach. So we'll try every 15 inches going this way here. 30. That's 45. 60. One more here. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18 plants. That's a good amount of peppers to get started with. Like I say, this part here we'll fill in with butternuts with Brussels sprouts, and which are ready to plant also. I got some more peppers up at the house too. I'll throw some more a little later on. We'll get these started for now. So we're gonna go about 15 inches, 30, 45, 60, and then 15 more right there. Let me divide the space down the middle. Excuse me, and we're good to go then. And so we'll go 2 feet. We'll give them plenty of space here. I could probably pack in 4 across here if I wanted to, because they're saying you can plant them 12 by 18. So if I did 15 by 15 or 20, could do 1, 20, 40, I don't know. We'll keep it this way here. That way it's plenty of space for them to get nice and big and healthy and not be fighting for sunlight there. There we go. Been doing this way for years, and it works. The old saying goes, it ain't broke, don't fix it. You always get nice peppers. I like some good stuffed peppers, my favorite. We also use the peppers for roasting for tomato sauce sometimes. A lot of different uses. Okay, it doesn't take long to plant these guys. We'll go with the flavor burst first. Peppers, you gotta plant pretty much the same depth they're growing at because they don't put out roots alongside. And I will go finish up this. I'll grab my cutworm collars. I use this for tomatoes, for any of the plants I plant out, cabbage, broccoli. Lettuce doesn't seem to get bothered too much by them, but definitely want those around just to protect them from those cutworms coming in and snapping off the nice tender stalk of the plant. Okay, leave that open for something else. Up the house I have another different variety. It's called Carnival. These need to get a little bigger. Then here's the California Wonder. There we go. Okay. Got some short one here too. I thought I had 6. Okay, well, we got some other things we can put in here. All right, let me grab some get a drink of water here. Of course, here I like using some fish emulsion. Nice little drink of that. I'll let that soak in and come back with another drink of water in a few minutes. All right, I'll get my cutworm collars. I have my cutworm collars. All these really are is just basically shirt boxes, gift boxes that you get from the store if you buy a shirt or gift. Or I just cut them into little strips, a couple of inches long, about 1.5 inches high, to be exact. Push some dirt around there, and that protects it for the from the cutworms. And just make sure that the soil doesn't come up the top, or those crawl over top and get right inside there. So you need a little barrier to make sure that the cutworm doesn't come across there, and so keep the soil down a little bit. Then these just rot away. I never bother picking them up. They just decompose into the soil. more here. Here we are. Alright, we'll give it one more drink of water and we'll fill the rest of these in a couple more days. I need about another week for these other couple of peppers to get a little larger before they go in here. No biggie, they'll do just as well in their pots as well as they do down here. Alright, there we go. That's a few peppers planted, get started for the season.